guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some typing jobs. So we are going to see some jobs which is typing related, and this is eligible for a lot of people out there, for housewives or students, or if you are doing something and if you are interested in part-time earnings, this is the best platform, or this is the best job for you. So I'm going to share some of the jobs which is typing related through this video. If you're interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page, and also turn on that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. Okay, so first I'm going to share some full-time jobs with you. Here you will get a good package also. So the jobs I'm going to share with you is on the category content writing. So I have just clicked on this fresher jobs and I put the category as content writing. Also, I have turned on this remote jobs. So now whatever you are seeing, there is whichever jobs you are seeing, it will be work from home. Okay, so you can see various jobs has come up. See, associate content writer. You can see the salary which they are offering is 3 to 3.1 lakh per annum. The last date to apply is 11th of November. You can see the details by just clicking on view details. Now you can see the details here. Here about the job they have given: writing content, proofreading, editing the content. That is the jobs. Okay. Now writing and finalizing one 300 word blog per day. Sorry, 3000 word blog per day and 6 per week. So that is the job. So they have actually given a quite brief about what is the job role, what all things you have to do. This is a content writing related jobs, and you have to write accordingly. Also, you have to put keywords which is search engine optimized. We know what is a content writing job, right? And the skills they are asking is WordPress, search engine optimization, creative writing, proofreading, English proficiency, British English. Okay. So this is the requirement. This is the raw job responsibilities, and the skills also they have asked is very basic. Salary is 3 to 3.1 lakh per annum. This is a work from home job. You don't have to travel or you don't have to relocate to any location. So that is all. The first job is associate content writer. Just like this, you can see a lot of other content writing jobs. Again, you will get 3 lakhs per annum, then copywriter jobs, then see content writer 4 lakhs per annum. Let's have a look on this job. So one thing I want to share with you is that before going or applying for the jobs, just have a look on the job provider. Make sure that they are genuine. Also, if they are asking some deposits or something, please don't give, and please verify about the job provider. Okay. Key responsibilities also they have given here. Again, content writing, measure content optimization metrics, content management. Skills is creative writing, English, and video editing. Very simple skills. Anybody can do this job. You don't need to have a graduation or anything. If you are a 12th pass or minimum, you can do these jobs. Okay, simple jobs, very simple. Skills also they are asking. Okay, see, they have given the probation details and the salary that you are going to get during the probation period, 25,000 to 27,000 per month. Okay, again a good salary only. Okay, so just like this you can find a lot of full-time jobs. Now we are seeing all the full-time jobs. So here in the fresher jobs, you can find a lot of full-time jobs. Now, if you are only interested in part-time earnings, or if you are a student and if you want to, support your family, or you want to support your educational fees and all, and if you want to do some part-time jobs, you can search in the internship session. Okay, just click on this internships. Now you can see all the part-time jobs or internships. Okay, this is the best thing for part-time earnings. Okay, again, I'm going to put the category as content writing here. Yeah, I've put the category as content writing. Again, I'm only interested in work from home. So I'm going to turn on this work from home icon. So now you can see the work from home and content writing related jobs. Okay, again, 1,430 work from home jobs or internships is there on content writing. Let us have a look on it. See here, content writing. The company name also is given. Duration is 3 months. Stipend also they have given. Okay, and you have to apply by 27th of October. Okay. Now let us have a look on what is the details or what is the eligibility and all. Here they have given who can apply. Are willing to work from home. That is, you should be interested in doing this job or internship, and you have to apply between these date, and it is available for 2 months. And the relative, you should have the relevant skills and interest. You need to have an interest in content writing or typing. Okay. Perks is certificate and flexible work hours. You can work from your home in flexible work hours. Okay. So this is the best opening for part-time earnings. Okay, also they have given, see, this notification here, or they have given this icon here. That is, you need to first verify the provider, and you don't need to give any fees or any amount. So please make sure you don't provide any money to the job providers. Okay. As a fresher, the first job always matters, right? But do you want the recruiters to choose your company or your job role for you? Or are you interested in making your own career? Then Relevel by Unacademy is here to help you. So here you can find your dream job and your dream company and dream package. The main companies like Urban Company, Razorpay, Upgrad, Meesho, and other unicorns and various startups are actually hiring through this platform, which is called Relevel. So you can also find your dream job here, whether it is in the front end or in the back end or in business development. So this is a completely free of cost platform. You don't have to pay any money here. You just have to apply here for free. And the next thing you have to do here is you have to book a test slot, and then you have to give a test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will be actually hired by dream companies. You have to get a score percentage 70% above, and then you'll be hired by all the dream companies and you can get your dream job. So please make use of this free of cost platform. Also, if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Because this platform, which is called Internshala, they don't take any deposit or anything. Okay, so just verify that. Next, let us have a look on another one, which is again content writing. You are getting 5,000 per month, and it is for a duration of 3 months. You have to apply by 27th of October. Okay. So this is how you can find a lot of part-time jobs also. So we have actually seen quite a lot of content writing related full-time and part-time jobs. Just like this, you can find a lot of those. See here, 1,430 openings is there. So that's how you can find these content writing or typing related jobs. Okay, you don't need to have any specific certification or anything. You just need to have some English proficiency. You need to have a liking towards content writing. Also, you need to put some keywords, search engine optimization keywords. So these things you have to take care. Okay, so that's it. The registration procedure to this platform is very simple, and also you don't need to pay any fees. That is the biggest advantage. For registration also, they are not taking any fees. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to register to this platform. I've already registered, and then you have to start applying to various jobs. Okay, you can find a lot of jobs. You have to just sit down and you have to go through this, and you have to pick the best one for you. Okay, so that's it. The selection procedure is also going to be quite simple. You will be tested for your writing skills and basic English language skills. That is the only selection process here. Okay. So that's all for today's video. A lot of people ask me about these type of content writing related, copy paste related updates. So here I am sharing with you this update. Please make use of this platform. Please verify the job provider. I'm saying it again and again. And also, whenever you're taking one job, just check it for 1 month. If it is working for you, you can actually stick on with the job. Okay, just verify that whether you're getting the payment correctly for the first month and all. And then if it is working for you, if it is if the provider is giving you the monthly payment correctly, then you can stick with the provider. Okay, so that's how you do these type of online jobs mostly in any platform. Okay, so that's all for today's update. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. Please like the video if you found it useful. Also, please share the videos with your friends. Please tell them to subscribe to the channel, and please do subscribe also if you haven't yet subscribed, and please turn on that bell icon. A lot of people have not turned on the bell icon, so the job notifications you won't be getting, or you won't be getting the notifications whenever I'm uploading the videos. So please don't miss out the videos, and please turn on the bell icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.